Hi, I'm Karen. I'm one of the Tipping Point team members, and in my day job, I'm Capability Team Leader for a government agency, and our learners are all across New Zealand. So, this survey. Do you know, with hindsight, I wonder if we maybe shouldn't have called it Technology and the Challenge It Presents. I'm not denying that there are challenges, and we wanted to discover them, but we also didn't want to influence anyone. Anyway, 4 parts that I found interesting in the results. So the first is that most of the respondents feel that they have a good general knowledge of technology and they're open to using it within their practice. Now this surprises me, and maybe that's because of the sector that I work in and the people I see, but it could also be actually that our respondent pool was limited. So we sent the survey out to a wide range of individuals, but the time frame was short, so maybe it was just the technology-abled respondents who actually responded in time. Secondly, our results demonstrate that technology is used mainly to transfer knowledge, so linking to a site, perhaps using it as a presentation tool, or putting in podcasts or other links. So this does fit with what we found in literature research, which says about how integration of technology into a teacher's pedagogical mindset is a stepped process, working with familiar items and working them into the technology before becoming more creative. Although I was quite surprised at the high rate of potential learner reflection, which is shown in our survey. So 70% of respondents said they have some experience of using blogs regularly, and that rises to 80% on discussion forums. So another area I'd like to highlight is that of browsing speeds and access, and the fact that it's still an issue, and that was for about half of our respondents. Now I find that a huge amount of people. Why is that still the case? We're 2017, we know how connected we are now. We also know that the government are doing a drive towards fibre connection. There's the Rural Broadband Initiative to increase broadband speeds. So why are we still having this barrier, which then impacts onto our practice? Then finally, looking at the help that teachers say they would like, I do actually feel some reassurance that in my day job, the opportunities and supports that we've put into place do actually match what our respondents here are saying they would like to see. So overall, I found this subject really fascinating. I think actually it'd be really interesting to carry out this research on a larger scale, and then we'll be able to really analyse the differences between those teachers who say they are at ease with technology and those who aren't, and we could see the differences in their practice. Anyway, thank you for listening and for this opportunity. Cheers.